Hello guys, so welcome to a new video. Today we are going to make a simple birthday flyer. So if you're new here, make sure that you like the video and subscribe and also share so that we learn together. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is to select the dimensions, right? So I'll be using inches and I'm gonna make it 5 by 5. Alright, 5 by 5. You can copy the rest of my settings. You can name your file. Alright, so birthday flyer and create. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to go to the adjustment layer and then select gradient. Alright, so click here and then select the basics. Right, so the color codes, you can click on this and then after doing that you click here and this is the color code for the first part, or the violet color, right? And the color code for the other one is just a black color, so you can choose the black color. All right, okay, and then make sure that you tilt it. Right, I'm going to make it like this. Yeah, so this is fine. All right, so press OK. The next thing you have to do is to create a new layer and select the text tool. Alright, so after selecting the text tool, I'm using Montserrat as the font. Right, I'll choose black. Now I'll increase the size to about 72. Alright, so I'll write HBD. Okay. Alright, so I'll change the color. I'll pick this color, but probably a lighter one of it. Yeah, so something like this is fine. Alright, so after doing that, make copy. So you press Ctrl J and then you use the move tool, then you move it to this side. You press Ctrl J again, you move it to this point. Alright, so make sure that it aligns. Alright, so after doing this, I think 4 is fine. So make sure that you select the first layer and then you press shift and you select the last to select other layer. Then you convert it to a smart object. The next thing is that you create a new layer. Then you select the text tool. But this time around, decrease the font size to about 8, and then this one should be black. Should be white. The color should be white, and the font type should be medium, something like this. Alright, then you go to the source files, then you bring in the message, right? So you copy, yeah, then you come back to, then you paste. So after pasting the message, copy everything and press Ctrl Shift K, right, so that you turn everything to caps. Alright, so let's decrease the size. Alright, so let's make it 7. Alright, so you bring it to the middle here. Let's increase the spacing to about 10. Alright, so after doing that, you decrease the opacity. So you decrease the opacity to about 34, or maybe, yes, let's make it somewhere between 45 and 50. So after doing this, you create a new layer. Then you go to the source files and bring in your picture, right? Alright, so after bringing in the picture, you remove the background. Alright, so after removing the background, what you would have to do is that you need to make a copy. So press Ctrl J and then switch off the copy of the image. Then you come back to the original image, you select the polygonal lasso tool, then you draw something like this, right? So make sure that your cursor has, or you've clicked on the layer mask for the original camera. Then you select. Alright, so then you clean that side from the image. Okay, so after doing that, you press Ctrl D, right? Ctrl D. So the next thing is that just increase the size of the image, right? Increase the size. Don't worry about the the edges that are showing. All right, the background that you remove, you can see that the edges have some white colors. Don't worry about that. So the next thing is that you make a copy of the original image again. Then you go down, right? You go down, then this one, the original of the original, you go to color overlay, right? Then you make it white. So after doing that, you press Ctrl T, then you move it to this side, right? So that it will look like something like this. Okay, so after doing that, come back to this one, right? You press Ctrl T and enlarge it, right? So after enlarging it, you you right click and then you flip horizontal, then you bring it to this point, right? Yeah, so this is fine, but then we would have to bring this layer down, right? It should be downwards of the other image. All right, so after doing that, you do the same thing that you did to the first one to it. So you just make a copy of it, then you go down to the original, then color overlay, right? So that's fine. And you press Ctrl T for that, and then you bring it this side. All right, so after doing that, select the first image, then you move up to the last one, then you group everything. So you press Ctrl G, right? Then you group everything. All right, so double click on it and make it image, right? Press enter. Now you press Ctrl T on that group, then you move this thing to the middle. So something like this is fine. All right, so after doing that, you create a new layer, then make sure that your color here is black. Select the brush tool and then decrease the flow, right, to about 11. Then you brush over it, something like this. All right, okay, so this is fine. So the next thing is that you create another layer, then we write the text, right? But this time around, just select the ellipse tool and change this thing from shape to path. So you just create a path here and you select the text tool, right? Then you type over it. So change the color to white, and then it should be bold, right? Bold. The 7 is okay. So type happy birthday. Alright, so after doing that, you create another layer, then you type inside it, No. So you create a new layer, then you just type outside of the place of the circular text, and the type fit. Alright, so fit, but this time around increase the font size to yeah, so the font size might be increased to about 24, right? And then let's change the color to the color of this, of his tie, right? Alright, so bring it here, and then type outside again, me, but let's reduce the font size for this, so 14, yeah, so me, alright. So I'll select both and press Ctrl T, then I'll drag it to the middle. Alright, so this is fine. Now create another layer, right? What we are left with is the happy birthday and the God bless you. Alright, so you type, change this. So the font I used is Wapilo, right? So you type happy birthday, happy birthday. So you increase the size, and you increase, so let's make it 30. The last thing we'll do is that select the pen tool, right? And then you just draw a shape like a point and make copies of it. Alright, so after doing this, so what you just have to do is that you select the pen tool, you drop a shape, and make sure that you close the fill, right? So the fill needs to be off, right? And then the stroke must be 7 pixels. Alright, so you select all of the shapes, press Ctrl T, then you drag it to the appropriate place, right? So this is fine. So the last thing is that create a new layer, select the text tool, then you write, right? The font size must be 8. The font is Montserrat and it's bold, right? So you just write God Alright, so it should be right aligned. Okay. Alright, so the last thing we are going to do is that we will go to the source files and bring in the dark texture. Alright. So you just increase the size, right? Then you change the blend mode to anything that suits it. So which one is best? Alright. So I think screen is okay. So then you decrease the opacity. Alright, yeah, so about 24 is fine. Alright, so this brings us to the end of the video. Alright, if you learned something, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you wouldn't miss out on the future videos that I post. And drop all your concerns in the comment section. I'll be here to respond to them one after the other. Alright, so thank you very much and stay tuned.